I want everyone to know on day one, we're going to put our plan to control this virus into action. On day one of my presidency, I'm going to put in action a plan I've been talking about for months. Masking, social distancing, testing, tracing. A plan for full and fair and free distribution of therapeutics, vaccines, when we get one.
We're going to put a hold on money spent to the WHO.
When you talk about climate change, first thing I'll do as your president is rejoin the Paris Climate Accord, which I helped put together. On day one, I'm sending to the United States Congress an immigration bill providing a pathway for 11 million undocumented, and I'm going to make sure every dreamer is protected now.